Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well. Here I am with another tutorial. If you wanna see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. I hope you will enjoy it. If you liked it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, let's get started. I just did my eyebrows. If you want to see how I do that, then please watch my previous tutorial. So let's do the eye makeup, and I'm applying LA Girl Pro Concealer to prime my eyelid and blending it well. To set this concealer, I'm applying Focallure loose powder. For eye makeup, I'm using Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette. For my first eyeshadow, I took this light brownish shade as my transition shade and applying it all over my crease line and blending it very well. Then I used this brown shade and intensified the crease well. Then I took this dark brownish shade and applying this color all over my crease and outer crease of my eyes. Now I'm applying this Huda Beauty Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow on my eyelids, and this is so pigmented and easy to apply. Now I took these two shades from same palette and blending it well to remove harsh lines. For eyeliner, I'm using Lakme Eyeliner and going to line my eyes. After putting a Nonbrand Eyelash, my eye makeup is almost half done. Now for base makeup, I'm applying this Mua Pro Skin Primer, which is best for oily skin. As foundation, I'm using Wet n Wild foundation and blending it well. This foundation gives a matte and smooth finish, which is great for long-lasting makeup. For concealer, I'm using same LA Girl Pro Concealer and blending it well. For baking my concealer and also as my face powder, I'm going to use this Mua Pro Base pressed powder and it gives a very natural finish. Then I'm bronzing up my skin with the Sunkissed Bronze Face Palette. And by using same shade, I'm going to contour my nose. As my blush, I'm using this shade from same palette. Now I'm going to use this highlighter from same palette and applying it well on my high points of nose, chin, cheeks, forehead. And also applying it on my brow bones and inner corner of my eye. It gives a glowing look. Again go back to eye makeup and I'm applying this Eyeunik black Kajal on my waterline. And later smudge out it by using an eye brush. Now I took this ashy black shade from same palette and applying it on my lower lash line and it gives a smoky look. Here I coated my upper and lower lashes with this Technic Epic Lash Mascara. For lips, here I am using iMagic Liquid Lipstick in a shade 05 and also used Kylie in a shade Moon. Okay, here is my entire look. I think it will be suitable for any occasions and you will carry it with any color of dresses and also you can carry it with hijab. And also thanks for watching.